My dear friends, this is your Dr. Panneer Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. The COVID situation அப்புறம் the poor people how they are getting suffered every day and every occasions அப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்க போகிறோம் இந்த வீடியோ மூலமாக. அவங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணக்கூடிய அதாவது கொலாட்ரல் ஃப்ரீ லோன் கொடுக்கக்கூடிய இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷனாக மைக்ரோ ஃபைனான்ஸ் இருக்குது. அந்த மைக்ரோ ஃபைனான்ஸினுடைய என்டைட்டியாக வந்து என்பிஎஃப்சி அபவுட் 234 இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் இருக்குது. இதில் வந்து ஐ திங்க் ஃபார் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல் பர்ஃபார்மிங் பேங்க் வந்து பந்தன் பேங்க், இந்த பந்தன் மைக்ரோ ஃபைனான்ஸ் அண்ட் பிகம் கன்வெர்டட் as பந்தன் ஸ்மால் ஃபைனான்ஸ் பேங்க். So they are dealing with millions of customers, cost-effective program. So அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கக்கூடிய லெண்டிங்கில் இந்த கோவிட் சுச்சுவேஷனால் there are some ups and downs. Last year, the company was able to generate 920 crore as a profit. So they could outreach people to the maximum extent. They can cater the financial services to the poorest of the poor people. But in the September, in the quarter, they have to post a loss worth of 3,009 crore. Okay, what is a loan loss provision? அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா 13-fold rise compared to the previous years. Now they have to accelerate the provisioning since because of the 2 years problems. So last year loan LLP, it was only 379 crore. This has jumped into 5,578 crore. So NPS become 1,500 crore. So now it is a alarming trend. இதனால என்ன vicious problemsலாம் வரும் அப்படின்னா the funding will be the very acute shortage. Not only raising funds from institutions as well as the banks, the share value will also go down. So you cannot raise fund from the shareholders. So not only now, even in the succeeding years, people will have a fear to invest in these shares. Now, Bandhan is one of the very successful model, whereas there are microfinance institutions with a turnover of say about within 1,000 crore. அவங்களாலேயும் வந்து தங்களுடைய சோர்ஸஸை வந்து எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணி ஃபண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ண முடியல. நாட் ஓன்லி பேங்க் பட் ஆல்சோ ஃப்ரம் தி ஷேர் ஹோல்டர்ஸ், ஃப்ரம் அவுட் சைடர்ஸ். Then what will have the other snowballing effect? Definitely the rating will also go down. So the amount which they can borrow from national banks will also get reduced. So who is going to be sufferer? The people who has been, having no surety, safety, has been receiving a loan for their livelihood through microfinance programs, will definitely get demoralized because they cannot get whenever they need, because when the business is growing up and now the financial requirement will also grow up. Say from initially it was 5,000 to 10,000, now it has gone up to 20, 30, 40. So the volume of business goes up and the credit requirement is also going up. So when their business picking up, which is able to meet out all their livelihood needs, is getting broken, is withering away. So that's a very bad scenario. It is happening. Now the company is also be in a position to post the loss worth of 3,000 crore, which is a alarming trend, and directly it's a loss to the institution. Indirectly, millions of borrowers are at loss, and again they're unable to get adequate, sufficient fund because the institution is unable to raise adequate funds. Today, of late, the share price of the microfinance companies is not very appreciable, and investors they are not interested to invest. If you look up on any leading or average performing companies, so this position will will create an adverse effect. So now these people are sanctioning loans without taking any collateral. Even the people who give the loan against collateral, they are also reducing their size of loans because there is no any offtake. But these people are, living on this microfinance program, solely depend on this microfinance program, getting paralyzed. So this is one of the very bad scenario in our economic trend, which is bothering the economic trend of the country as well as the people who really expect this kind of funding to manage their livelihood in India. So that's the scenario which we have is a worrying trend happening today up to this COVID. So this information which I am sharing with my viewers.